Yeah, it is not called as access specifier. Access specifier. From now onwards, access modifier. Sir, in Java, can you tell me totally what are the access modifier? Very good question. Yeah. Total access modifiers are, wait, hold on, I'll open my notes. Modifiers. What are the access modifiers? Wait, first we'll write like this, okay? First we'll write like this. There is no such thing called as in Java access specifiers. Public, protected, default, private. Go with the flow. Stop typing and first focus in the class. Stop typing and first focus in the class. Yes, I only told all these are access specifiers. But I'm going to cross mark it. They are not access specifiers. Okay, they are not access specifiers. You can write, I'll give time for writing. Yeah, they are not access specifiers. Rather, above keywords are not called access specifiers. Why I told in the beginning? To avoid confusion. Rather, they are called access modifiers. Sir, can you please tell us the list of access modifiers? I'll tell you. Yeah. First, write down this much. Fast. Make it quick. Public, protected. For default, there is no word, but rather for default access specifier is also called as package access specifier. Private, static again. For non-static there is no word. But still I'll write it. That will write it. Leave it empty. For non-static, leave it empty. Non-static, abstract, very good. Abstract is also access modifier. There is one more word called as final. Final also comes under access modifier. Public, private, default, private, static, non-static, abstract, final. These are all the words are called access modifiers. These are all the words are called access modifiers. Clear? For default, leave it empty. For non-static also, leave it empty. Ainda. Now. Do you remember about default constructor? Do you remember default constructor? If a developer does not create a constructor, compiler will add a default constructor. Remember that? Yes, sir, we remember. Yeah. Regarding that, point regarding that. Yeah. Say, suppose I'll write a program. I will make it as. I will write it as. I will write it as. Public class A. This is how we write a program. I leave the program empty. I'll save it as a.java. Since already topic everything is covered, I'm just polishing it, just fine tuning the topic. Yeah. All topics are done. I'm just fine tuning it. Yeah. Correct. If I leave it empty, compiler will create a default constructor. Yeah. But one small thing what we forgot. Yeah. After compilation, correct. Compiler will add a default constructor 100%. Compiler will add a default constructor 100% right. Yeah. But whatever default constructor added by, this is the constructor added by compiler. This is the constructor added by compiler. Yeah. Constructor, if class is public, default constructor is also public. If class is public, default constructor is also public. Yeah. Suppose, I'll give time for writing. Yeah. Suppose this is our A dot class. This is our A dot class file. Suppose if I write a program like this, class A, can you tell what is the access modifier for class? Can you tell what is the access modifier for class? There is no public. Public ledante. What I'm not going, from now onwards, I'm not going to use the word access specifier. I'll use the word access modifier. You try to become comfortable with that word. Sir, class is default. Very good. Right? After compilation, whatever default constructor added by compiler, the default constructor also will be default. Default constructor also will be default. Yeah. Remember this point. Yeah. If class is public, default constructor created by compiler also will be public. If class is default constructor created by compiler is also default. Arthamainda, did you understand these two differences here? Take it as a note. Fast, make it quick. Zoop. Write this example. Next one. In Eclipse, observe. Note pointer I should give a, okay, done. What is the note point we can give? Note point is default constructor. Default constructor created by compiler. Default constructor created by compiler. Its access modifier. Its access modifier will be similar to class access modifier. This is the note. Default constructor created by compiler, its access modifier will be similar to class access modifier. Ainda rasanara continue cheddama. Everyone? Okay, very good. Yeah. So now the topic, very important topic. Yeah. Topic called encapsulation. One of the very important OOPS concept. Encapsulation. Encapsulation. Yeah. Have you heard of capsule? Have you heard of capsule? Have you heard of capsule? Yes. Hey, not tablet, capsule. Tablet is different, capsule is different. The shape of the capsule will something look like this. Correct? Here you will have, inside you will have small medicines. Correct? This capsule. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. So here, this medicine, whatever is their medicine, is this medicine protected by this outer layer? Is this medicines protected by outer layer? Yes, sir. Protected by outer layer. Very good. Same concept they have used in Java called as encapsulation. They have used the same concept in Java called as encapsulation. Encapsulation. Yeah. Okay. First, what we will do now, let us write a program without encapsulation. First, what is the encapsulation? Everything I'll tell you. Yeah. First, let us write a program without encapsulation. Then we'll see what is the problem happening in our program, everything. Later, then you will understand why do we go for encapsulation. Is it clear? First, we'll write a program without encapsulation. Yeah. Okay, done. Set. Create a class. Class, main class. Save it, keep it aside. Keep it aside, keep it aside. I'll use Eclipse. Yeah. Oh, better use Eclipse. Create a main class. Yeah. So, one of the rule of Eclipse, one of the standard rule of Eclipse. Yeah. Every file should have only one class. Every file from now onwards will make for readable, just for readable. Why, sir? For readability purpose. Yeah. Every file will have only one class. Is it clear? Yeah. You want to create another class, create new program. You want to create another class, create new program. Yeah. So let me create a class called as class calendar. Class called as calendar. Yeah. Okay. Then here I'll create one variable. Public integer month number. Public integer month number. First of all, tell me, is this variable static variable or non-static variable? E variable, static variable or non-static variable? Sir, this variable is a non-static variable. Perfect. Yeah. Till today, every non-static variable, were we declaring it as public? Yes or no? Till today, all our non-static variables, we were declaring it as what I'll make? Public, sir. Correct? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, this is the biggest mistake of our life we have done. This is one of the biggest blunder mistake. Me entire jeevitamlo ide pedda mistake of your life, that is making variable as public. Sir, enduku sir? Why sir? Why making public is so getting it? Yeah, done. So, okay, I'll tell you. Yeah. In when we are developing application, yeah, 99% of the time, 99% of the time, we never use the word public. We never, very rare case we go for public. Sir, what problem, sir? That I'll tell you now. Yeah. And if you remember properly, always, I told already, yeah, a developer will play 3 roles. Remember that? A developer will always play 3 roles, I told. Do you remember that? Yeah. First role. Rules not. Role. Yeah. Role. First role. You create a program. Very good. You create a program. Another developer will use a program. Correct? First role. Second role. Yeah. Another developer will create program. Mem chestunam. What do we do? Sir, we are using sir. Very good. Third developer, third role. We only create. We only use. Correct? We only create. We only use. Correct? Yeah. Now, encapsulation is all about first role. Encapsulation is mainly created for first role. That is what you create program, another developer. Problem is, when we create program, we know how to use the program and we will use in the proper manner. Correct? ఇప్పుడు మీరే ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే అది ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీది. So will you use it properly? Suppose you have a bike or suppose you have a car, your own bike. Do you take care of it properly? ఎస్ అది మా స్వంతం అంటే కొంచెం కేర్ ఉంటుంది. If it is our own, we always care a little bit. Correct? Yeah. That only. Yeah. Our bike is there. Our car is there. Suppose our best friend will, even if he is a best friend also. Suppose even if his best, closest friend also. Yeah. Closest friend also. He'll come and ask me, "Hey boss, hey mama, I want to go outside. Please give your bike away." Yeah. We will give bike. But we will always have that fear. Always కొంచెం భయం ఉంటుంది. Yes, what is that? This fellow, what? Who will drive my bike? Will he take care of properly? Will he use it properly? Will he drive fast? Rash driving? Especially boys. I don't know about girls, but boys, when see, after you get job, when you buy your own bike, you'll be very careless, I'll tell you. After you get job, after you buy your own bike, you'll be having that little, I'm not saying completely, little carelessness, but that only before getting job. If father, mother put together, they bought you one bike, you will treat that bike like your wife, I'll tell you. You'll treat that bike literally like wife. You'll take care of it like anything, I'll tell you. You'll treat it like your son, daughter, your own baby. You'll treat that bike as your own baby. Yeah. So now, when you give that, yeah, always problem is, if it is our own, we use it properly. Yeah. Let us take best example for this, toilets. We'll take toilets, bathrooms in our house. Bathroom in our house. How neat, tidy it will be. That only public bathroom you see. Appa, Devuda, you will literally die by suffocating only. Correct? Public antene problem. Public means only problem. Yeah. Same way. Let me get back to the topic here. Yeah. If I make variable public, you tell me, according to public access modifier, can anyone use my program? Can any program use my program? Yes. When we are using, we will use properly. We'll use properly. But my program, when another developer will use, he may misuse my program. When my program, another developer is using, he may misuse my program. Correct? How will he misuse? I'll show you. Yeah. So public means only problem. You created public. Let us assume that this is your program. Some other developer, some nonsense developer, yeah, he is using your program. Yeah. Another developer is using program. He'll create an object. Calendar C1 equal to new calendar. Calendar C1 is equal to new calendar. C1 dot month number equal to 5. C1 dot month number equal to 5. Valid month number, invalid month number. Is it a valid month number or an invalid month number? Sir, 5 is a valid month number, sir. Can you tell which month? May, sir. Very good. Yeah. Now, listen. Yeah. Now, since another developer is using the program, chances of misusage by mistake, some other Daridra developer will give 100. Whoa. You tell me, is 100 a valid month number? No, sir. Yeah. Only how many months are there? 12 months are there. But user, another developer, encapsulation is not created for us. We go for encapsulation for to protect my variable from other developers, to protect my variable from other developers. Yeah, here, even though you gave 100, program is not showing any error. Even though you gave 100, program is not giving error. Your other developer is misusing your variable by giving invalid value. Another developer is misusing your variable by giving invalid value. Forget 100. Some other developer may give one negative number, -10. Whoa. Again invalid. Again invalid. Yes, again it is invalid. Again it is invalid. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So that is the problem where this is the problem where public variables, even though it is public, even though the value is invalid, your program is allowing it. Your program is not throwing any error. Your month number is allowing it. Another developer is misusing the variable. Another developer is misusing chestunaru. Yeah, by assigning invalid value. In order to protect my variable, ఈ వేరియబుల్ ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడానికే ఎన్కాప్సులేషన్ పోతున్నావు. ఈ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ మై వేరియబుల్, ఈ వేరియబుల్ ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎన్కాప్సులేషన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. యా సార్, ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ వాట్? ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ invalid inputs, protect from invalid data, protect from invalid values. That is why we go for encapsulation. Are you understanding why we go for encapsulation? Are you understanding why we go for encapsulation? Yes. Why are we going for encapsulation? ఏం ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు? ఏం ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? వేరియబుల్ ఓన్లీ. సార్ మెథడ్ సార్, నో వేరియబుల్. గో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్, స్టాప్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్. Go step by step to protect our variable. But if I declare as public, can I protect it? If I declare as public, can I protect it? No, public means misusage. Public will misuse my. Perfect. Yeah. So, ఎలా encapsulation చేయాలి అన్ని రాస్తాను. Yeah. But did you understand why do we go for encapsulation? Perfect. Let us write the notes. Encapsulation. Start writing. First I'll give notes, then I will write the program for it. Yeah, start writing. The process of I'll explain the notes later, okay? The process of binding. The process of binding data members. Process of binding data members with member function. The process of binding data members with member function. Process of binding data members with member function into single unit is called encapsulation. This is the standard definition, let's. Yeah, I'll explain the points later. First, write it off. Yeah, the process of binding data members with member functions into single unit is called encapsulation. Yeah. Steps to develop. Steps to develop encapsulated program. Steps to develop encapsulated program. Step number 1. Declare variables as private. Declare variables as private. Provide access to variables. Provide access to variables. Provide access to variables by using public methods. That's all, simple 2 steps. Declare variables as private. Declare variables as private. Provide access to variables. Provide access to variables by using public methods. That's all, 2 steps. Simple 2 steps. Yeah. Point number 3. If program is not encapsulated, 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 data members will be misused. Data members will be misused. If program is not encapsulated, data members will be misused by misused. Data members will be misused by assigning invalid inputs. By assigning invalid inputs. We go for encapsulation. We go for encapsulation in order to protect our data member. In order to protect our data members. In order to protect our data members. In order to protect our data members from invalid inputs. Digant, what is that new question you are asking? When did class start? As usual, 8 o'clock only, appa. Why special time is there for you? What is that new question? We go for encapsulation in order to protect our data members from invalid inputs. Yeah, this is the main reason we go for encapsulation. Yeah, over. Make it quick. Oh, sir, access is available only within the same class. It is visible only to the same class. Very good. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Means. Outside user means outside user. Outside user can he access that variable? Outside user can he access that variable? No, sir. Outside user cannot access the variable. Even if you create object calendar T1 is equal to new cal. I'll give a lot of examples. Just learn step by step. Yeah. Even if you try to access C1 dot month number, will the user get error? Will the user get error? Will the user get error? Yeah. 100%. Yeah, means what? From the outside user, I'm not allowing outside user to access my variable. Very good. By making private, did I deny the access? Did I deny the access to the variable from outsiders? Did I block the access from the outside user? Yes. But hold on. Until entire topic is completed, focus. Yeah. Provide access to variables by using public method. Oh, okay. The variable access provided through public method. So what I'll do? I'll create a method. Public void. Yeah. Provide month number. Provide month number. I'll create a method called as public void. Focus. You should have 1000% concentration today to understand this topic. Yeah. Public void. Provide month number. Yeah. I'll take an argument. Integer month number. Yeah. So I think you are able to differentiate this month number, this month number. Both are different, no? Which is this variable? Sir, it is a non-static variable, sir. Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. Then identity. Sir, argument local variable, sir. Argument, sir. Local variable. Argument local, sir. Perfect. Yeah. Now what I will do, I'll put one condition. If at all, lay user. If at all, whatever month number you give, whatever you give, I'll catch it in the argument. Lay user, directly you cannot access this private variable. Lay user, directly you cannot access this private variable. Whatever month number you give, first I'll catch it in the argument. First nenu argument lo catch chestanu. First I will validate it. Month number correct. Leda invalid. Yeah. By putting condition month number greater than or equal to 1. Okay. And month number less than or equal to 12. If this is the case, if you pass this security check, yeah, you can imagine like this. Yeah. So you tell me, can I say that airport railways, airport is more protected compared to railways? Yeah, why, appa? Why? What is the reason, sir? Because of international travels. Because of train is local, it is inside India. No gunda, no terrorists and all will be very, very rare for train. Here, yeah. But if you have observed hijacking the plane, taking the control of the entire, movies and all I have seen now, yeah. More it happens for aeroplane only. That is why more security in what, tell me, airport, yeah. If you can imagine like this, yeah. You can imagine like this. This is like my airport. Now, outside airport, before you enter only, have they deployed the army people? Yes, sir. Why, sir? Yendukappa. Why? That to army, not normal security. Bloody army only is there. With AK-47, with check post, everything and all. By seeing them only, gada, you should become gada. Now. This is you. Here, airport security will tell. Airport security will tell. Airport security will tell. Airport security will tell. All the people, yeah, please don't feel bad. We are not doubting you. Airport security says that, boss, please don't feel bad. We are not doubting you. Yeah, but we have to make sure that there is one terrorist among you. I don't know who is that person. So I need to check each and every person. So we are really sorry. Please don't feel bad that since you are going through a security check. So now the airport security will check. Show your documents. Show your Aadhaar. Are you really Indian citizen? Very good. Show your passport. Very good. Show your plane ticket. Very good. They'll check. Okay. Yeah. Everything is correct. Everything's correct. Then only they will allow you. And they will do body scanning. They'll also do what? Tell me? Body scanning. They'll also do body scanning. Nothing is there. Okay. You are a normal person. You don't have any dangerous items. And all. Please, yes, please go. Thank you so much. Thank you for cooperating. Please go. Alage in encapsulation. I will tell, user. Before you'll give one data. Okay, data. User, you'll give one data. I want to make sure that this data is correct. I want to make sure that this data is valid. So, this data, directly I will not put in my non-static variable. This data, directly I will not allow you inside airport. Directly I will not allow you inside airport. Directly I will not allow you to put this data in this variable. I'm sorry. I need to check you. So first, I will store the data in the argument. First, I'll store the data in the argument. Go through the security check. If security says, yes, everything is okay, then I will take your data. Put it in this variable. Arthamainda. That is why that condition. Yeah. Now, if the condition is true, month number, what are valid month numbers? Numbers from 1 to 12 are valid. Numbers from 1 to 12 are valid. Yeah. Who are the normal passengers? You have all the documents with you. You have Aadhaar card, you have voter ID, your passport, your plane ticket is correct. Plus you are not carrying any dangerous items. Very good. You are a normal person. Thank you for cooperating. Please enter inside. Go board the plane. That is now I will write this dot. Already we have covered this again. I'll not explain. This dot month number equal to month number. Else suppose, hey boss, hey, there are some dangerous items with you. Hey, why you are carrying gun? Hey, why you are carrying gun? Oh, bloody, you are in danger. Please come this side. We have to do still. Okay. Now, if the data given by the user is not matching the condition, if data given by the user is not matching the condition, suppose that Daridra fellow gave data 49, bloody 49 will sit in month number 49 greater than 1, true, very good. But 49 less than or equal to 12. How can 49 be less than 12? Oh, condition is false, true, and false. Can you tell me the total result? True and false. Can you tell me the total result? Sir. False, sir. False. Go to else. I will throw you error. Now. Lay invalid month number. Lay passenger. I'm sorry. I cannot allow you to board the plane. Because you are carrying a dangerous item. Please step aside. Yeah. So now here I'll give. Yeah. System.out.println. Invalid month number. Invalid month number. అర్థమైందా? ఎన్కాప్సులేషన్ అంటే అర్థమైందా? అరే ఇదే రా. చూడు ఇక్కడ చూడు స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1 ఏంటి? డిక్లేర్ వేరియబుల్ యాజ్ ప్రైవేట్. Provide access to variable by using method. Now you tell me variable and method. This variable, private variable and this method, are they connected together? Are they connected together? Yes. This connection is called binding. ఈ కనెక్షన్ ని బైండింగ్ అంటారు. యా. అండ్ బోత్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ వన్. ఆర్ దే ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద సేమ్ క్లాస్? దట్ ఈస్ వై ఇన్ అ సింగిల్ యూనిట్. అర్థం చేసుకోండి డెఫినేషన్ ని. ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ బైండింగ్. డేటా మెంబర్స్ అంటే వేరియబుల్స్. టెక్నికల్ వర్డ్ ఫార్ వేరియబుల్ ఈస్ డేటా మెంబర్. Technical name for data member is variable. Member function ante methods. Okay, binding the variables with the method into a single unit ante class. Is called encapsulation. Yeah. Another example. Observe. Yeah. The pant pockets. All our pant pockets. Where it went up? Pant pocket. All our pant pockets. Are they complete? Inner, this one, pockets. You know, right? Pocket means. Pant pockets. Why are we not using constructor and all? We'll see later. Yappa, Devuda. You guys, how you know? Yeah. Whatever topic I'm teaching, that you will not focus. అది ఎందుకు లేదు, ఇది ఎందుకు లేదు. Later on constructor, everything I'll club together. First understand. Now only if I introduce constructor, again confusion. First focus on the topic, what I'm doing it. Yeah. Now tell me, this is the inner pocket. Am I correct? Yeah. So when you see, for outsiders, when outside person sees it, is this inner pocket visible? When outside person, imagine you are wearing this pant in Imaji. Imagine no one will wear pant like this. They'll call you something wrong with you if you wear pant like that. So an outsider, when he sees it, is this pocket hidden? Yes, perfect. I'll give multiple example. Yeah. I will call this pocket as, understand the example. I will call this pocket as private variable. I'll call this pocket as what? Tell me. Private variable. Can I call this as pocket as private variables? Okay, yeah. Suppose there is a money. Money is our data. Yeah. Money is our data. Imagine money is our data. Yeah. Suppose you have given some money to your friends. Money to your friends. Your friend, some emergency, you gave some, let us assume that some 5,000 rupees you have given to your friend. You are wearing this. I want you to imagine. Imagination is required to understand this. Yeah. Imagine this is you. Okay, yeah. Shirt to pant head. There is a pocket. This is the inner pocket, yeah. You have your friend. your friend. This is you. This is you. This is you. Your pocket is there. This is your friend or someone, relative, whatever. Getting it? Yeah. This is the person where you gave the money. This is the person where you give. This person, listen. Now, this person wants to return the money back. Hey, this person wants to return the money back. Can he directly put the money in your pocket and go? Will he directly put the money in your pocket and go? No, right? Your pocket is protected, private. Your variable is protected, variable, correct? But pocket not visible. Think, see, compare with Java also, yeah. Now tell me, but not. Directly you cannot do. Directly, hey, not possible like that. Here. Now let us write this program, yeah. Now observe, directly P1 dot month number. P1 dot month number equal to data. He cannot access the variable. Yeah, he cannot access the variable. Tuck here a rough you will give. If this person will try to come and touch your pocket, rough you will give. Line imagine. Find the distance. Bloody, what are you doing? Okay. Sorry, boss. Okay, done, appa. Okay, then this person wants to return the money. But this person wants to return the money. So you will tell, you want to return money, ask properly. Simply don't take too much lenience and all. Yeah, sorry. Getting it? Yeah, done. So what you will do, tell me, is your and chai. Is your and visible to the outside world? Is your and visible to the outside world? Visible to every, is your chaya, cheta, cheetah. Like Nimajji, tell properly. Chai. Is this chai visible to everyone? Can I call this your chai as your public? Can I call your and as public? Can I call your and as public? Perfect. Yeah. Now you will tell, hey, whatever money is there, dabbu is there, that dabbu, give it to my hand. Give it to my hand. Correct? Means, lay, user, whatever data you want to give it to my argument. My public and, my hand will receive it. Oh, okay. My hand, public hand will receive the money. Public hand will receive the money. This will receive the argument, will receive this data. Now what you will do? Once you hand over, once you receive the money, blindly will you put it into your pocket? Will you blindly put it into your pocket? No. In your mind, one condition is there. In your mind, one condition is there. In your mind, one condition. In your brain, you will have a condition. I gave 5,000. You will start checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You'll count. Oh, hey, boss. 200 missing. Oh, Nimajji. 200 missing. What? You are trying to cheat, Yeah. Give properly. Error. Give invalid data. Error. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, everything is correct. Thank you so much. Correct. Now you will put the data into the pocket, into the private variable. Ade chesandra ikkada. Condition check chesi. Money. Then that my money I am putting into my pocket. Arthamainda. Ippudu at least arthamaindara. Perfect. Yeah, done. Hey, like delay, boss. If you think, 1 minute, if you think, oh, yo, boy, so much examples you'll get, I'll tell you. All your job, you have to think, I'll tell you. If you start thinking, you can't even imagine that many examples you'll get it. Yeah. For example, another example. We'll go with another example. Once again, hold on. Da 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 da. Perfect. I got one more example. See what is needles? On screen once again. Last example. Yeah. Needle, our needle. Sorry, minute needle. Our needle. Our needle. Minute needle. Seconds needle. Are all these needles very sensitive? Are they very sensitive? Yes. To protect that needles, is there a glass cover? To protect that needles, is there a glass cover? Suppose if the glass layer was not there. Suppose if the glass layers were there. First of all, human beings are number one monkeys. Number one kotilaga, you will behave. Yeah, correct. And sometimes I know in your childhood days, school days, college days, I know all these and all koti atalu you have done. Yeah, removed the glass, took out this needle, started bending. Correct. Are you damaging the watch? Yes. Now can I call all these needles, whatever needles are there, can I call it as a private variables? Can I call it as a variables? And can I call this glass layer? As private? Can I call this protecting? Private means I'll protect it. Correct? Yeah. Suppose you are in India. Suddenly your company told, my boss, move to US. There is a project. Please move to US or UK or Germany or Europe or Abu Dhabi or Dubai, whatever the country you want to go. Yeah. Please move there. Please move to US. There is a project. Now when you go to US, obviously the time zones are different. The Indian time zone is different and US time zone is different. Yeah. You need to change the time. We'll watch people tell, put your finger inside, change. Like that they will tell. No, they know that you are going to damage the product. Yeah. Tell me, have they given one beautiful option for you? Is this accessible by user? Yes, sir. Is this internally connected to this particular our needle and all? Are they internally connected with the needles? Oh, yes, sir. Boss, can I call this as a public methods? Yes, and they are internally connected with the private variables. Are they internally connected with binding, variable, and the method into a single unit is called encapsulation. Arthamainda, ayyo, baboy, Arthamainda, Devuda. System.out.println. Given month number is valid. Month number is valid. Month number is set. month number is assigned. Now, first job of new operator. First job of new operator. Create an object. Create an object. Okay, object create chesko. Load all the non-static members. Load all the non-static members. Month number, I'll write in red color. Red color means restricted. I'll write it in red color means restricted. Restricted to outside user. But in the beginning, will it have a default value? In the beginning, will it have a default value? In the beginning, will it have a default value? In the beginning, will it have a default value? But according to calendar, observe. According to calendar, 0 is also invalid data. According to calendar, 0 is also invalid data. Practically, think practically. Don't think from Java point of view. Think practically. Think practically. Yes, sir. According to calendar, 0. But. So user may give whatever data you want. In case you gave wrong data, at least here what I'll do, I'll make it practically. This is not encapsulation program. Now what I'm telling is not encapsulation. Now what I'm telling is I'm thinking practically and writing the program. Shall I? If you buy, have you observed whenever you buy a new calendar, whether you are in June month, suppose you are in June month, now you will go to one stationery shop and buy one new calendar. Will you get calendar from June only? Yeah. Stationery shop fellow will give calendar from June only. Yeah. So right. They start from 1. Can I say? Let user give invalid data. At least by default, shall I set it as 1? Now I don't want 0. But at least this is practical thinking. This is not encapsulation. This is practically how you think and write the program. And whenever you buy a watch, usually normal watch, have you observed? It will be set to 12 o'clock. Normal watch, whenever you buy a new watch, each and all, it will be set standard watch, not some local watch and all. You buy really standard watches, very high price watches. It will be set to 12 o'clock. Later on, you can change it. That is practical thinking. Yeah. So, can I mark it as at least 1? Shall I at least mark it as 1? Practical thinking. Yeah, this will do later. You forget about that. But I just wanted to show you that, yeah, when you write a program, please make sure that your program is not only according to syntax, your program is also practically matching with real world. Your program not only should syntactically be correct, your program not only be syntactically correct, your program also should be practically right. Is it clear? Okay, done. I'll mark it as red. Red means outside users cannot use. Yeah. I'll mark it another method called as provide, one second guys, with an argument. There is an argument here. Is it possible by giving month number to provide month name without, you see, already I've told you, right? By using month number, then you use your switch logic to give print out month name. That and all is extra logics. My job today is not to give you extra logic, sir. My job here to make you understand encapsulation. That if you understand, then we can write switch, par, gear, condition and all we can see later. With an argument. Provide month number with an argument. Argument compulsory. In encapsulation, argument compulsory. Because first I'll accept the data from user. First I'll accept the data in month number argument. I will validate it. If the condition is valid, Then internal, can I say like this, guys? Yeah. Internally, method is connected with the variable. Internally, can I say like that? Method is connected with the variable. %, sir. Yeah. If the valid month number is given, then only what is that month number will be assigned. If the valid month number, then only month number will be assigned. Otherwise, you'll get error. Object address is stored in a variable C1. So now user can access variable or method. User can access variable or method. User can access method only, sir. Can I say I have given access to the variable indirectly? Can I say I gave access to the variable indirectly to the method? That is encapsulation. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Now here. P1 dot provide month number 100. Patir beating you will get. Nimajje invalid month number. Oh, sorry. Yeah. You give 10. 10. Is 10 valid? Yeah. Now you will get. Given month number is valid. Month number is assigned successfully. Encapsulation. Yeah. So before I show you the program, can you all note down this example? This pocket example, this watch example. Write your own diagrams. First finish up this diagram and explanation. Make it quick. Zoop. Heading, program which is not encapsulated. Program which is not encapsulated. That is heading. Program which is not encapsulated. Separate class for readability. Sai Teja. That is why you should attend the class on time. If you attend the class on time, and Veera Satish, if you attend the classes properly, regularly, all the shortcut, everything will be told. Using problem. User program which is encapsulated. Zoop, right. per main class. Access to variable is provided through method. Access to variable is provided through method. In case user assigns invalid data. In case user assigns invalid data, encapsulated program will give error. Hence, because of encapsulation, variables are protected from invalid data. Variables are protected from invalid data. Here, how do we do, sir? Very good question. Here, you rename the package. You rename the packages. Yeah, rename it. Right click on the package. Right click on the package. There will be one word called as rename, etc. Refactor. Observe, refactor. Refactor lo oka name on the rename. Here you write. Without encapsulation programs. Rename the packages. Here you write refactor, rename with encapsulation program. Like this you remember, okay? Did you understand encapsulation program? Yeah? Done. So I'll stop it for today. Yeah. Tomorrow, very, 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 very super duper, ultra duper important topic. Yeah. Sharp 8. Class will start sharp 8. Yeah. Bye.